Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. SA Shell Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SA Shells Running. Okay, I have few messages here. Please ignore the sounds. There's some construction going right near my home, and I'm going to be a little loud for you guys. Okay, whoa. There's going to be whoa. Okay, I'm sorry. Well, I did one of the reading. I did many readings. Cut that. Okay. Action. Okay. So here you go. I heard I saw there's going to be something cold. It's something a cold slab, like ice slab is there, and you have it's a brick of ice. Okay. It's a brick of ice here. There is a cold ambience, but you can see through because it's not that thick. It is transparent, but it is a slab kind of which been cut through. Am I making sense? Yeah, look, this is your slab of ice. The wheel is turning, honey. Okay, this is the slab of ice and you are putting it there, but it's see-through, but there is ice. Okay, and I feel like you're going to see from that, and there is a communication. For some of you, not for everyone, okay? I may not be the tarot reader for everyone out there, but I want you to pick up your energies because I'm just not here for predictions and everything. I am here to bring music in your life. Anyways, this one card flipped out of the deck, which is Knight of Swords energy. There is a ice movement in your life, which is about you being in your zone full, okay? This is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. For some of you, there's communication coming through, and this communication is going to be very fast. Someone's going to send a message very quick. Okay, this is about it stay or not. It is something very fast. It's something that they really want to say, and they're going to say it. Now, maybe there's going to be a call. If not, it's going to be speed of air, and they're going to send the message, leave the message there. Reaction, something over here, but I feel like you are in the ice mode. Okay, now this ice mode is about that you might be in the igloo, but your window is having those bricks of the ice, and you can look outside, but exactly someone cannot be inside because there is a zone of ice slabs around you. You might hear out from someone as a cover-up energy, or someone you have already dealt and they're about to say something you don't want to believe. There are trust issues. Seven of Swords. I feel like there are a lot of trust issues. There's a lot of burning feelings left, okay? But I feel like the flames are there, small flames are there. Makes sense? They are flamey, but not that flamey. It's like a bonfire distributed all the flames on the ground, and now there are small fire babies moving. Makes sense? It is just like from the cartoons, and it's like fire is running, trying to save themselves, but nah. Okay, it's this Page of Cups. You might hear out from a Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy. They are saying something, or they are about to say something in a very quick mode here, but you don't trust them. You might be hearing out from this person right straight after 5 days or straight after 7 days. It's a big gap here. Okay, it is a big gap, even minutes. Okay, so let's see. Yeah. Four of Wands energy, it's about you, it's about your own stability, and you're running back to your stability, you're running back to your igloo, you're running back to your own zone, and basically it is about your ice zone as well. But I see here there is Knight of Cups energy coming, which may be an apology or a message coming, and you haven't talked with this person, or maybe you were disappointed, maybe there's something happened sour, but this is Ten of Swords energies, maybe a ghosty situation for some of you, or maybe someone was so much into those confusions and puzzles and they were not clear, all that stuff. Still they're not. What? Not? They're saying they're not. Still they're not. I don't know how it will go. But there is someone who is bringing up this matter. Okay, we connect. I want to. So there is a communication apology, or if not an apology, everyone does want an apology. Why do you want an apology? If they're not giving you that apology, it's okay. Just move on with your life. That's why I see you in that zone. Am I too fast? You hear that? The machine is on. Something is construction, even in this. This person might be searching for a home, and they are searching home in you also. Okay, they might give you some news here. Someone over here is also shifting with someone for some cases. But I see here that it is your energy is about, I'm sorry guys, your energy is about you're going to deal with someone who is suddenly appearing, and they want to talk, or they're going to leave the message there. They expect something from you. They expect love and greeting from you as well. If it is happening after long and you remember the pattern, because this person is coming from a place that they're not being very truthful about their feelings. They hold, but they're not being truthful about their feelings, okay? In your now, if it goes even for today, you're enjoying something cold. Make something with ice. Ice cubes. Ice cubes. You may expect certain action from this person's side. Ace of Wands energy. They might say that I wanted to talk to you, I missed you, okay, or I'm sorry, or hello, how are you, how have you been? And you are inside in your igloo. Four of Swords energy. Someone is retreating here, or this person is coming out with the action, okay? They may try to act on your Four of Wands stability, okay? And you may not like it, because this is less than Four of Wands. Or maybe they may say that we have a connection. Ace of Wands is my karma card, so you may have certain kind of action in your life from this person. They may say something. I asked just on Knight of Swords energy, which is very interesting because the Empress is someone here and I feel it's your energy. And Eight of Wands energy is the move energy, the communication coming towards you. You're stable, you're organizing yourself, and I feel that some communication from the air is coming towards you when you're settled and in your own zone here, and you'll have the choice of cutting it or just thinking about how to reply. Okay, how to reply. I feel with the Four of Swords energy on Ace of Wands, someone is coming out of their retreat, recuperation, and they're going to make a move here. They want to make a move. Communication, movement, certain kind of thing, messages. I said so, rush in something. Yeah. Knight of Cups, I talked about what, and you got Queen of Cups energy. They may be Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy. They want to balance out things with you, and they're thinking about making a move towards you, and this person is definitely here. Okay, so on Four of Wands. Interesting reading. You have a lot of water sign here. Knight of Pentacles. This is something that is about to pick up energy from my side at least, and you have a Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean. Someone does want, there may be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, but I feel like it's a pickup energy in your zone, in your work also. You're on the go, okay? This may be something that you are specializing, or you are specialized. If this is a love situation, there is someone who is coming around for you because they are now getting opened up and they want you to come out and greet them, possible, okay? Yeah. Let's see from my cards. Definitely there's a water sign here, okay? And there's a sudden contact here. For some of you, not for everyone, but I feel like this person is looking back and thinking how to make a move. They're a little shy. They're going to send a message and they're going to be very quick because they have something to tell you. Okay, they have a pickup energy and they want to pick up where they left with you. They are going to make certain action here. Interesting. Oh, someone is watching you, but I'm not going to take all these cards, but someone is watching you. I see with the Knight of Pentacles, I kind of feel like it's someone who is realizing. There is a realization, okay? Love apple, alert, and braid. I feel though, they're not flipping though, but someone who is ready to eat that apple and someone who is in your spell, kind of. They're tied to you. Can go vice versa, remember that. But I feel something is brewing somewhere between both of you, because I can see that you can see them but yet not clear, and they are making sounds here, but brewing. Something is brewing here. It's going to be either the start of someone is making you important because you deserve. Of course, it's not, you're not important till the time they don't make you important. Remember that, okay? Words can go anywhere. You just need to realize the fact that there's a pickup energy that someone wants, because something is that they're feeling here. Okay. Oopsie, please. Okay. Someone's gonna be around. So I feel brewing. Someone is feeling something, and treat. I said so. They want your sweetness, and they want to be around, and river flows. Someone is feeling some things for you and with you here. Okay. They might have told you in a certain way or certain action, I can't love you, or maybe you'll say, I can't love you. Okay, because you can't mirror this person anymore, or possible they are now feeling that, okay, I'm feeling like something and I want to talk to you, and they want to talk sweet with you because they are feeling something. River flows here, and for me, river flows is a situation where they want to tell you something. Okay, this is something emotional feelings here. Definitely someone does. Oh my God, reunion. Okay, but remember, these things are happening, but what happened and how your situation is going, you have to deal with that. Reunion, they want to hold your hand, they want to sweet talk with you, they want to be with you, but there is also constancy. You are on a constant pole here, thinking about how this thing will go, because you have gone through this phase, if this is about that. But this is someone who does want to brew, gonna be around, treat, and river flows, retreat, possible, they want to talk. Okay, let's see. Something was unrequited, okay, or something is, and that may go for I can't love you, kind of. You don't feel the chemistry anymore, or it's just that something is off. Something is off. That's why you're in the glue. There's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. You might have realized that. You might have a relationship here, wedding, or maybe someone is interested in now, reunion, or someone does want to come around, okay? This is about sincerity, that they think deep about or with you, because they think you are the empress. Or yeah, okay, getting to know each other. They're coming around because they have this code of like either this or not, or maybe from your side either this or not. Some of your wedding is unloved, like you're out of love, but there is someone who is going to make the effort. There's a lot of positivity. Even if you're taking a break, even if there is something, you are not going to bow anymore. Okay, you did your part. I feel that bowing is for love, for making the effort. Getting to know each other, someone is here who does want to know you, or as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. So possible there is someone who is coming around the corner to express everything to you, because they want to love you, because they want to reunite with you. Okay, let's see. Calendar, the time has come. The time has come. I feel with the calendar, it's something that someone is looking out for you. They're looking at the time that has passed, or they're looking for the right time to get in contact, and they're going to be exclamations like surprise moment. This wolf will sniff. Someone is sniffing you. Okay, they are interested in talking to you. Okay, guys, I love you. See you soon. Bye, and talk to you later.